Greetings and welcome to this lesson by Growth Together. What is a subject? The subject of a sentence clause is the person or thing doing the action or being described. So basically, the subject of a sentence is the main element that is carrying out the action in the sentence. So whatever the action may be, the thing that is carrying out the action is known as the subject. The subject can be a noun phrase, or a pronoun. So when you look at a sentence or a clause, try to look for the noun or the noun phrase or the pronoun that is actually doing the action in the sentence, which is the verb. So that's what you need to look out to identify what is the subject. So here are two examples of subjects being used in a sentence, or in this case you could even call it an independent clause. Lee ate the pie. So Lee is the subject of the sentence because Lee is doing the action of eating the pie. So this ate is actually past tense. So Lee ate the pie. So he is doing this action of eating the pie. Lee is chubby. So here what is happening? Lee is the subject of the sentence. Lee is being described. So this is a description of who Lee is, or the features or the bodily features of Lee. So Lee is chubby. So here the subject is being described. Here the subject is doing the action in the sentence, the verb. So ate and is are the verbs in the sentence. So here are some more sentences. They're a little bit more complex than the two sentences we saw earlier, but here also we can identify the subject quite easily. So if you look at these words highlighted in this color, these are nouns. These words highlighted in this other color are verbs, and these other ones in this other color, they are called modifiers, and they're used with nouns. So the New York phone book, so this whole thing is the subject. The world's youngest pope, this whole thing is the subject. All butterflies, the king of hearts, only one person in 2 billion, digital currency. These are all subjects. So basically, don't think that a subject is just one noun. A subject will comprise of all of these words, nouns plus all these modifiers. So we'll, at a later lesson, we'll try to understand what are modifiers. The subject performs an action. So we saw this, my dog bit the postman. So here my dog is doing the action of biting the postman. And as you can see, this is a modifier. The subject is described. My dog is boisterous. So here it's a description about the dog's nature. So this dog is a boisterous character, which means he's a bit rough. He can be a bit tough, and also he could be a little bit mean as well. So again, there's a modifier here, my dog. In this sentence, what is happening? The subject is identified. My dog is the one in the middle. So no action is happening here. The subject is not doing any action, nor is it a description of the subject. It's just an identification of the subject, probably in some sort of group of dogs or something like that, where the owner is trying to identify their dog. The subject has an action done to it. Now, this is also interesting. Normally, the subject either does an action, or there's a description about the subject, or as we saw earlier, we tend to identify the subject. Now, here there's an action being done to the subject. My dog was taken to the vet. So normally we would call this a passive voice sentence. So we'll learn more about passive voices later on in a future lesson.